teased its new event for June 20 on Thursday at 7 p.m. local time. They announced the Mix Flip 2 and Pad 7s Pro along with the next generation personal spaces. The event will also host Xiaomi's second car, first SUV YU7, and the company detailed for the first time. For DCS, the mega event will also host Redmi 80 Ultra, Redmi K Pad, and Xiaomi AI glasses Xiaomi Open Ear Pro, the Mi Band 10, and Watch S4 41mm. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 will feature a 6.85-inch folding with 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh. It will come with 5100 mAh battery with 67 watt and 50 watt wireless charging. Otherwise, you'll have a 50 megapixel main and 50 megapixel wide. Mix Flip 2 will have an IR blaster NFC, except water resistant rating, global availability given the original made of China. The 7S Pro will run Xiaomi's own Xring 01 12.5-inch 144Hz IPS LCD screen and 10,610 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charging. The Redmi K80 Ultra will have a 6.83-inch LTPS Full HD plus 144Hz display with symmetrical build manufactured by TCL and features Dragon crystal glass protection. It is 223.5 grams. It will have an 1 by 1.55-inch 50 megapixel main camera OmniVision Light Fusion 800, an 8 megapixel and 20 megapixel selfie camera. It runs Dimensity 9400 plus chipset with a 24 GB of RAM. It packs 7410 mAh silicon carbon battery. It will come with Xiaomi's Hyper G1 battery. Xiaomi K Pad will have an 8.8-inch 165Hz IPS LCD, Dimensity 9400 plus chipset, 7500 mAh, 67 watt fast charging, and 336 grams.